long planned trip to Portugal to film farming and fresh produce and all the marvels of it. And I'm on the ferry to Spain, to Bilbao, and we just heard on the internet that there's a major power outage in both Spain and Portugal and other parts of Europe that's affecting the whole countries. Both countries are advising people not to travel. So what am I doing? I'm on a ferry to travel into Spain, to travel to Portugal. Are we going to get there? Of course we're going to get there. What's going to happen when we get there? I don't know. All fun and games. Tune in, see what happens next.